Hello people, welcome to WendyStyles. Today we are bringing compilations of black braided hairstyles for you guys this 2020. Are you looking for a sexy braided look? Then look no further than these hot styles here in WendyStyles. Please don't forget, if you're here for the first time, please subscribe to WendyStyles. Don't forget to give me your like, don't forget to give me your comments, okay? Braids are a great way to style your hair and then not have to think about it again. Like in fact, with braids, you can keep them in for months at a time and not to have style your hair the entire time. It can allow damaged hair to heal while protecting it from the harshness of the environment. Plus, there is just something appealing about the braided look that will have head turning wherever you go. If you're looking to attract some attention, these looks here will do the job. Okay? The great thing about braids is that you can be really creative with them, like these beautiful ones. There are many types of techniques that can offer you unique styles. There are clips, there are patterns, there are highlights, texture, and shapes that allow you to have a different look every time. So if you have very thick hair, or have a natural wave to your hair, then it's a big plus for you. It's so much easier to get decent braids when you have thicker hair, okay? So a lot of people hate natural curls or really thick hair, but that's exactly the type of hair you want in order to make great braided looks. You can finally use it to your advantage. So there are many types of braids that you can try, such as blocky braids, twist braids, micro braids, black braided buns, cornrows, fishtails, hair bands. So hair bands, 3 braids, okay, and French braids. So once you choose the braiding you desire, you can take it to a stylist who can braid it for you. After that, you can style your braids however you want. Braids have always been in style. It's just a look that doesn't seem ever to go out of style. It's a hairstyle that has been around for thousands of years. It was original, a style that was convenient, especially for women who work outdoors. But these days it's all about fashion. So if the style has been around that long, then there must be a reason for it. Braids are just really cool. Braids are also a popular choice when it comes to fashion shows, okay? Like the popular trends for